Hello, Healthy Lifestyle Oils group. So today I have another DIY for you. I actually took this, but Team Freedom is our upline group that Leah and Jessica is a big part of that as well, had started just as a place for support, learning, education. It's a great group. If you are not a part of that group, let me know and I can shoot me a private message and I will get you connected. There's a lot of good information there. But on there, Chris shared a really cool DIY that I wanted to try. And so I am sharing it with you because I just think it's really awesome. So I am doing a bathtub scrubber. So when you're in the shower or you see that the bathtub's dirty, I think you can use it for your sink as well. She went to the store and she went to the dollar store and bought a little scrubber. She bought the one that has the sponge on it. I'm not a big sponge person. I don't know, it's just kind of ooey gooey for me. So I like the bristles and I saw this one, so I went ahead and got this one. It was actually $3 and went ahead and made up a mixture. Her recipe is to use 2 tablespoons of the Thieves dish soap which is the non-toxic, just like we talked about with the Thieves cleaning. It's a great product to have. I have heard a lot about it. Honestly, I'm going to tell you though, but I have not used it personally. So that is something that is on my wish list of things to get on my essential rewards down the road list as I am working towards shifting to chemical free in the home. It also calls for 3 capfuls of our Thieves. I'm going to show you again. You guys are going to get tired of seeing this, but every time I see it, it just makes me super excited. So the Thieves household cleaner, 3 capfuls of your household cleaner, and then you fill the rest of it with water. So I went ahead and made one. Here it is. And I have, just through comments and questions within the feeds on the Team Freedom group, read, people have had problems with them leaking. How do you keep them from, you don't want to lose all of your product. So a couple different things. One, keep it upright so that your dispenser up here is not upside down, because then, you don't want to risk it leaking out this way. Also, I have read, see, there's a couple drips from me doing that. That's all right. Just clean off my table. Also have seen where people have put this in a cup next to their bathtub. So if for some reason it was to leak, you don't lose your product. You can just pour it back in or use it, and scrub your shower or your toilet. So I am super excited to try this. I'm going to put it in our shower to use later, and I will do a follow-up post to let you know how it works. All right, guys, that's my DIY for today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.